Good morning, students. How are you? Very good morning, Swarna. Today we will discuss the topic algebraic expression. In class 6, you have learned simple algebraic expressions like x plus 5, y plus 3. Now, algebraic expression in math is an expression which is made of constants and variables along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay. Algebraic expression in math is an expression which is made of constants and variables along with algebraic operations. Like multiplication, addition and subtraction. Examples of algebraic expressions are 4x square, 4x plus 3y, 5xy plus 10. These all are algebraic expression. Now, what is variable and constants? Variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed, but the constant has a fixed value. We use the letters x, y, z, l, m, n to denote the variables, but the constant has a fixed value. Examples of constants are 400, 5, 7, these all are constants. Now, we will discuss the terms of an algebraic expression. Here, first we consider the algebraic expression 5xy plus 10. This is an algebraic expression. Here, the terms of these algebraic expressions are 5xy and 10. Terms are added to form the algebraic expressions. Okay. Terms are added to form the algebraic expressions. If we consider the algebraic expression 4x squared minus 3y, then the terms of this algebraic expression are 4x squared and minus 3y. The negative sign is included in the term. The negative sign is also included in the term. Now, we will discuss the factors of the terms. Okay. Here 5xy and 10 are the terms of the algebraic expression, and 5xy is the product of 5x and y. 5xy is the product of 5x and y. Therefore, the factors of the term 5xy are 5x and y. It is also the product of 5 and xy, but these are not factors because xy can be further factorized. Factors are such that they cannot be further factorized. Okay. Any problem, students? Any query? Therefore, the factors of 5xy are 5x and y, and the factor of the term 4x square are 4x and x. Also the factor of the term minus 3y are minus 3 and y. Any queries, students? Okay. Then we will do the exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. First, question number 1. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. First question is subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z if we subtract z from y, the required algebraic expression will be y minus z, isn't it? This is the required algebraic expression. Here the variables are y and z and the terms are y and minus z. Terms are y and minus z. Understand? Next, question number 2. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. One half of the sum of numbers x and y. Required algebraic expression is first we will add x and y, then we multiply this with half, isn't it? The required algebraic equation is half x plus y. Next, question number 3. The number z multiplied by itself. Then what's the algebraic expression? The algebraic expression will be the number z multiplied by itself. Therefore, the algebraic expression is z cross z, that is z square. Next, question number 4. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. Therefore, the required algebraic expression is 1/4 into P into P. This is an algebraic expression containing the variables P and Q, and here the only one term is PQ divided by 4. That is PQ divided by 4. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Next, question number 5. Numbers x and y both squared and then added. Numbers x and y both squared and then added. Therefore, the required algebraic expression will be x square plus y square. First, we will square the numbers x and y and then we will add. Okay. Next question, question number 2. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. First algebraic expression is x minus 3. Here the terms are x and minus 3, and the factor of x is x itself and minus 3 factor minus 3. Therefore, the terms of this algebraic expression is x and minus 3. Next question 2b. Here the algebraic expression is one plus x square. Terms are 1 x and x square. Factor of 1 is 1 itself, factor of x is x itself, and factor of x square are x and x. Okay, understand? Okay. Then the next question 2d. Consider the algebraic expression 5x y square plus 7x square y. Therefore, terms of this algebraic expression are 5x y square and 7x square y. Now, the term 5x y square is the product of the factors 5x y and y. Similarly, 7x square y is the product of the factors 7 x, x and y. These are the factors of the terms. Next question is identify the terms and factors in the expression given below. Okay. First we consider the algebraic expression minus 4x plus 5. Here the only variable is x. The terms of this algebraic expression are minus 4x and 5, and factors of minus 4x are minus 4 and x, because this term is the product of minus 4 and x. Next, to see here the algebraic expression is 5y plus 3y square. Terms of this algebraic expression are 5y and 3y square. Factors of 5y are five and y, and factors of 3y square are 3y and y. It is also product of 3 and y square, but y square is not the factor, because y square can be further factorized. So, y square is not the factor. Therefore, the factors of 3y square are 3y and y. Okay. In the next class, we will do the exercise 12.1, the remaining portion of the exercise. Thank you, students.